Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. These are our chrysanthemum plants. They were in a very bad condition because of the extreme heat wave. And right after the heat wave in Delhi, there is a lot of rain. And rain is not good for this chrysanthemum plant. And during this time, there are a lot of pest attacks that happen on our plants as well. Here, as you can see, there is aphid attack on our plant. We can simply remove it by a soft bristle brush like this. And after removing it, make sure to throw it somewhere far away from the garden. We can also remove the lower leaves of our plant. As you know, because of our heat wave, many of our mother chrysanthemum plants died. So for that, we regularly do pruning of stems, so that we can plant new plants from those stems. We also regularly check our plant for any kind of insect attacks. Here also my mom is checking if there are any dead or damaged leaves, so she will remove them. Now I'll tell some basic care of chrysanthemum plants. Chrysanthemum plant needs 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. And it needs frequent watering time to time. But keep in mind that your plant must not have any kind of stagnant water. And during this time, no need to give any kind of fertilizer, as this is the monsoon season. After monsoon, you can give your plants some nitrogen-rich fertilizers. My mom prefers giving leaf compost and tea leaf compost during the growing time. Also make sure to prune time to time. The more you do pruning, the more branchings your plant will get. Also, many people ask that, are these chrysanthemums toxic to pets? Yes, they are toxic to pets. In our channel, there are many videos about chrysanthemums. There you will be able to find on how you can make chrysanthemum tea and the other skin or hair benefits of your chrysanthemum flower. Now I'm going to show you how you can plant your chrysanthemum from stems. You just simply have to put the stem that you cut into the soil like this. Also make sure to remove all the lower parts of the stem and just press the soil and water afterwards. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.